If the machine stops working, please make the follow steps to recover. Step 1. Clean the paper scraps bucket and the paper scraps on the machine. Step 2. Switch the button to auto. Step 3. Insert a card in the middle button, the paper feed, and cut the card into small pieces. Completely clean the shredder of the paper scraps. Step 4. Just